Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache cTAKES. In today's fast-paced healthcare industry, managing vast amounts of unstructured medical data is a significant challenge. This is where Apache cTAKES comes into play, a powerful tool designed specifically for extracting meaningful insights from clinical texts. As part of the Apache Incubator project, it has been developed by a dedicated community to meet the unique needs of medical NLP. Apache cTAKES offers a range of sophisticated features tailored to the healthcare sector. Its advanced NLP algorithms are optimized to handle the complexities of medical language, ensuring accurate extraction of entities such as diseases, medications, and procedures. The tool also incorporates extensive domain-specific dictionaries and terminologies, making it highly effective in processing clinical data. Additionally, cTAKES is designed for scalability, capable of handling large volumes of information efficiently. Understanding the architecture of cTAKES is crucial to leveraging its capabilities effectively. The system operates on a pipeline model, allowing each component to perform specific tasks in sequence. It's built upon the Apache UMA framework, which provides a robust foundation for NLP applications. Key components include tokenizers that break down text into manageable units, entity recognizers that identify medical terms, and analyzers that process context and relationships. The workflow of cTAKES is designed to transform raw text into actionable insights. It begins with tokenization, where the input text is split into words and phrases. Each token is then tagged with its part of speech. Following this, entities such as diseases, medications, and procedures are identified using specialized medical dictionaries and terminologies. Finally, the results are output in structured formats like XML or JSON, making them accessible for downstream applications. The applications of cTAKES are vast and impactful. It's used to automatically extract patient diagnoses from electronic health records, streamlining data management for healthcare providers. Additionally, it helps identify drug names and dosages in clinical notes, aiding in medication tracking and compliance. Furthermore, cTAKES plays a crucial role in detecting adverse drug reactions by analyzing medical literature, contributing to patient safety and drug development. Like any tool, cTAKES has its strengths and limitations. On the positive side, it excels in accurately extracting entities from medical texts, thanks to its deep integration with domain-specific terminologies. It's also highly customizable, allowing users to tailor its components to specific needs. However, it does require substantial computational resources when dealing with large datasets, which can be a barrier for some organizations. Getting started with cTAKES involves a few straightforward steps. First, ensure you have the Java development kit installed on your system. Next, download the latest version of cTAKES from the Apache Incubator repository. Once downloaded, follow the provided setup instructions to configure the environment and set necessary variables. It's also recommended to explore sample datasets and pre-trained models to familiarize yourself with the tool's capabilities. In conclusion, Apache cTAKES is an invaluable resource for anyone working with clinical text data. Its advanced capabilities make it a cornerstone of medical NLP, enabling professionals to extract actionable insights from unstructured information. We encourage you to explore its features and see how it can transform your healthcare analytics processes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable. Thanks for watching. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.